Welcome. If you want to change language in your Pokemon Unite, at the first you have to open the settings that you can find on the left upper corner. So tap right here, then scroll down a little bit for the settings, and next you have to be in the system settings and English, the language you can find in this place. So currently I set up English, so we can change by tapping right here. And as you can see, when you scroll down you can find a few different languages. For example, we can change for Espanol, so click. And as you can see, when you would like to change the following language, for the Espanol we'll have to restart the game, so click OK to confirm. Now just wait a little bit. And as you can see right now, our language has changed. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.